Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you two locations of Edinburgh. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. We are in St. Andrew's Square, and this 150 feet high monument is called the Melrose Monument. This monument was built to show respect to Henry Dundas, the first Viscount Melville. His statue surmounts this column. Now let's go to the next location. We have always seen the ocean down there from this place, and today we decided to walk down to the ocean. The Rodney Street Tunnel was formerly a railway bridge, but nowadays this tunnel is open for pedestrians and cyclists. This tunnel is 164 meters long. It's a long way to the ocean. Let's see how long it takes to reach there. We have come to this path, the Golden Acre Path. This is a 5-way crossing, leading ways to Ferry Road Path, the Wadi Bay, the Hawthorne Valley Path, and the Chancellor Path. We are taking the way to the Wadi Bay. Let's go. Here's another tunnel on our way and a small bridge. And finally, after a 2 miles walk, we reached the ocean. This place is Newhaven Harbour. The name Newhaven actually means New Harbour. This is situated between Leith and Granton, around 2 miles north of the city centre. This place is well known for this tall white lighthouse, which was originally built in 1869. There are a few nice restaurants at this place, but due to COVID, all are closed except the fish market. It's a renowned place for fish and chips with a very nice ambience and sitting arrangement. We too had our lunch from the fish market, having this wonderful view. Now let's take a tour towards the lighthouse. The lighthouse is no longer active, but multicolor LED lights have been installed just for decorations, so that the lighthouse glows at night. It must be a beautiful sight. Maybe we will visit someday to see it. Here you will see many colorful love locks locked to the fence. It's cute, isn't it? So, this was all about today's journey. When in Edinburgh, you can visit this place just to spend a quite long day along the seashore, having fish and chips, and enjoying this wonderful view. If you have liked today's video, please give a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comment section. We will come up with another location very soon. So stay connected. Thanks for watching.